What's happening, guys? It's Cole with the Out Gearheads today, and today I got a special little treat for you. I got my box from Pro Tuning Labs. Let's open this up. These are new headlights with super bright white LED, or not LED, super white low beam and a projection high beam with the white halos. And they're going in, obviously. Ghost. I already did some of the work. I'll take you guys through a little tour here. I took the front ballast off. The front grill has to come off. You got a bolt here, a bolt here. Okay. I've got to take 3 bolts out of my chrome trim. I love what he did there. Okay. A bolt right in there. 2 more up there in order to get a light back, or another bolt back there, and then it slides out. We slide the new one in. And if you can see, I've got tape here. This marks the brightest part of my low beam, brightest part of my high beam. That's to help aim, to get you in the general vicinity before you actually aim them. So this is all plug and play except for the halos, the U halos. These are your 2 wires here for the halos. Low beam, high beam, and then your adjustments right here. So my low beam, or my halos, I take and piggyback off of my turn signals. That way they come on with running lights and look all cool and such like that. So they send it with just a regular beam. And we get to unplug. Alright, top beam's low beam, okay? So this little fancy thing here is my super bright white low beams. So we're gonna stick that in. We'll pull that one out of there. That's all it is. You wanna always be very careful not to touch your light bulbs. That can have damaging effects on them. Alright, I'm going to set you guys down to put this all back together, and I'll get back with you. The bottom one I don't take all the way out. It's just a slide one. I'll come up here.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Cool. The lights work. The only thing that doesn't work right now is, yes I did, have a burnout bulb. It's always great. I'll address that later though. Okay, So in order to get those halos to work, okay. Here's the part that I said the YouTube mechanics and electricians would not agree with. I use a little, essentially like a jump piggyback. It's like a piggyback. Put this and that right in there. The light's getting warm on my leg. Trying to hurry this up here. Squeeze that together. Do the same thing for your ground. Stick that back in there. There. Always make sure you're square when you pinch these down. Boom. It's all snapped together. Once you're all snapped together, we'll move your test site from the area. And carefully, yet firmly, let it know it's blocked. Well, a lot of you may be saying what was wrong with the old headlights. There isn't anything wrong with them. Headlights for me are more of a personal opinion, a look. And also I like aftermarket LEDs, just look cleaner. And as you can see, the brightest point of my low beam lines up. I'm going to call that good. And I'm going to come over here, tighten stuff up. So right now I'm sticking my top ballast back on. And all they are is little push pins. I already put my 4 bolts back in. So you guys are back just in time for the reveal. Missing a pin. Always make sure you got all your parts to put it back together. So there we go. I have not yet seen it all together. I got them all put in, but I ain't seen it all together. So let's go see what we got here. Oh, yes. Alright, now I realize you guys can't really tell what we got here. See if we can get over to the side. But look at that. And I'll bring you back, guys, in the daytime, but that it really helps the appearance of the truck.